everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. My name is also Christina. I'm the general manager of Champion Homes Retail Center, and HUD Manufactured Homes is what we do over here. Your home will be built right across the street, right over there. We build 32 houses every day. I would like to say one of the largest manufacturers in the world, 17 factories, 4 in Canada. And as you can see, we got a lot of homes. We got a lot of floor plans. But let's talk about this baby. This is the Fair Meadow. I met with David and Melissa today, and we just thought this was the cutest thing. Look what we did. Well, look what the customer did to the end. They bumped that out, added a package with the 2 exterior hitch lights. And I want to talk about something else. White corner posts. You can add that to give the home a little bit of flair. We do single wides. We do sectional homes all the way up to 2,300 square feet, as small as 546. So give me a call and I will bring you to the factory, put you in a nice hotel, show you how the homes are made, and then we'll go through some beautiful homes on display. But today we're going to focus again on the Fair Meadow. It was so funny because when the customers were here today, I was getting up into the house, and I heard, hey, if you're watching, you guys know what I'm talking about. I heard them flipping up the tie bag. You know what they were doing? They were checking for the OSB. Can I tell you guys, I just love you so much. You guys watch my videos and I appreciate that, but you actually listen to what I say. All right, let's talk about the top. Look what the new thing is. Everybody's doing it. They're making their fascia black because the roof is black too, so it just blends in seamlessly, right? Throw some black shutters on it and an upgraded darker siding, and ooh la la, you've got a really nice exterior. I'm gonna come in the back door because there's a big pile of rocks in the front door. So when you're coming into the back door, you're gonna walk right into the laundry area. And in the package that they chose, they're gonna have washer and dryer cabinets up above. Now you could do a stackable right here if you wanted to have some extra room for a cabinet. That's very common to do. Right here's your furnace. You're gonna wanna opt for a furnace door because if you don't, it's gonna be wide open. You're gonna walk in and you're gonna see this furnace and it's not gonna look good. You know, that's what gives, one of the things that gives a manufactured home a bad name. You know, spend a little bit of extra money, put some cosmetic stuff in it, and make it look nice. Let's talk about another thing, white wrapped profile trim. Go ahead, spend the extra money for that. The standard is a flat trim, which is okay too, but this just gives it a nicer look. You're gonna see it at the top, around the windows, around the doors, and it's just gonna look really nice. Now in the Fair Meadow, this is a 1-bed, 1-bath. When we get to the back end of the home, you're gonna see why this is my favorite 1-bedroom home. Because it is one of 2 floor plans that is large enough to have a walk-in shower. So when you're coming into the front door, it's gonna be wide open to the living space. This is a 14 by 44. You could stretch it to a 16 though, that's no problem. You can also stretch in 4-foot increments when you're stretching the length of the home. Wide open to the kitchen. You're gonna have a corner sink with an extended countertop where you're gonna see the dishwasher if you chose one. That's an optional feature. That will be an empty cabinet for you to store things in if you don't want a dishwasher. This customer has added an appliance package with a 20.5 cubic foot refrigerator, ice maker, gas stove, and a microwave above the stove. I'm also seeing a laminate backsplash. This is all part of a package. And do me a favor, when you're meeting with a housing consultant or you're coming to meet with me, let's talk about the packages because you're gonna save some extra money. Because in our packages, we've designed them because it's the things that people most likely put in their homes anyways. On the floor, this is a brand new floor for us. We call it Serenity. How nice is that? On the cabinets, we've got a Timberwolf Brown. And this is a new countertop. I don't know if I can even say the name. Look at these. Vroom. Okay. Pietre Vietre. Something like that. Something very French and sophisticated, right? Let's head back to the other end of the home. I don't want to take too much of your guys' precious time. All right, heading back. First thing we're going to see is an electrical panel on the wall. 100 amp is the standard electrical service in a home, but you can change that to a 200. And then coming in to the kitchen, or excuse me, I'm getting turned around. Coming into the bathroom, lots of elbow room here for a small single wide. So the bathroom is important. You want to be able to have the ability to do a walk-in shower, and you can see here that the tub shower combination is a lot slimmer. A walk-in shower needs to extend by about 7 inches. So you can see we have plenty of room here to put a walk-in shower. The one thing that you will want to reconsider is that transom window if you're doing a tub shower combination, because you can see it just lets lots of natural light in. So perfect there. Got an extended vanity with a bank of drawers, and then there's a mirror that hangs there. We ship those mirrors loose now. So I don't know how to wave it, you guys. We have to find a window or something. Here's the primary bedroom, or the master bedroom. And I love that these customers have added an extra shirt and skirt rack, because that's $116 and just doubles up your storage, right? So it's the little tiny things that matter, folks. If you're just starting, if you know what you want and you're not sure how to do it or how to get through the steps to make this home your new home, give me a call. Man, I'm here to teach you guys, and I'm here to help you. Yeah, it's great if I sell a house to you, but if I'm your first stop, that's okay too. Give me a call, put you in a nice hotel. We'll show you step by step how the homes are made, and then you'll see some beautiful homes and meet my crew. And as always, thanks for watching.